Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am super excited to review a product that's both stylish and incredibly functional. The IKEA BRUNBÅGE LED work lamp in a cool finish. If you are looking to brighten up your workspace while keeping it organized, then this lamp might just be your new best friend. The lamp has a robust adjustable arm that allows you to direct the light exactly where you need it. Plus, there is a hook on the arm, perfect for hanging your headphones so they are always within reach. It has a built-in pen holder to keep your small items like pens, scissors, or even a USB stick organized. There is also a phone holder that fits most smartphones, whether you have a case or not. It is perfect for hand-free video calls or binge watching your favorite shows. One of its standout features is the built-in touch dimmer. With just a light touch, you can turn the lamp on, off, and adjust the brightness. It offers three intensity levels, so whether you want a soft glow or bright task lighting, you can customize it to your liking. Right out of the box, the BRUNBÅGE lamp feels sturdy and well built. The turquoise color adds a fun pop to any desk setup. Now let's talk about the price. The IKEA BRUNBÅGE LED lamp is available for rupees 1490 rupees, and for IKEA family price it's around 1290 rupees. Considering the features and build quality, I think this is a fantastic deal. The lamp stands at 30 cm in height and 10 cm in width, compact yet practical. You also get a USB-C cable, which is a nice touch since it's compatible with most modern laptops. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out our latest reviews. Let me know in the comments, would you grab this lamp for your workspace? Until next time, happy organizing and stay illuminated. Thank you. Bye.